In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MySQL to n8n. Before we dive in, make sure you have your MySQL details handy, such as the host, port, database name, username, and password. If your database requires a secure connection, keep your SSL settings nearby too. Having these ready will make the process smooth and quick. Start inside your n8n workspace. On the left-hand side, open the Personal section and head to the Credentials tab. This is where n8n stores secure connections to external services and databases, so you can reuse them across workflows without re-entering sensitive details each time. In the top right corner, click Create Credential to begin setting up a new connection. In the search field, type MySQL. Select it from the results and click Continue. This tells n8n you want to create a credential specifically for a MySQL database, which will expose the fields you need for a standard database connection. Now, enter the credentials required for the connection. Provide the database host, which is often a domain or IP address, and confirm the port. MySQL commonly uses 3386, unless your environment specifies otherwise. Add the username and password that have the appropriate permissions for the tasks you plan to run, and include the database name you want n8n to work with. If your setup requires encryption, choose the correct SSL mode and upload any necessary certificates. It can be helpful to give the credential a clear, descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you manage multiple environments like development and production. When everything looks correct, click Save. n8n will store the credential securely. If you run into issues at this point, double-check the host and port, confirm the username and password, and make sure your database allows connections from your n8n instance. Some hosting providers require you to list your n8n IP address or enable SSL explicitly. With the credential saved, you can now use this connection to build out your automations. In your workflows, add a node and select a MySQL node. Then choose the credential you just created from the dropdown. From there, you can run queries, insert or update records, and connect your database steps with the rest of your logic in n8n. The benefit of setting it up this way is that you only manage the credential once, and every workflow that needs MySQL can simply reference it. That's all you need to connect MySQL to n8n. Save your credential, plug it into your nodes, and you're ready to automate.